Parents, if you feel like you've tried everything to help with your child's chronic health challenges, from traditional medical treatments to every natural remedy that you can find, but you're still having problems and aren't seeing the results that you're hoping for, you're not alone. You've changed diets, tried supplements, explored different therapies, and maybe even invested in expensive treatments like infrared saunas or specialized programs. Each time you've hoped that this would be the thing that finally helps your child break through, only to face more frustration when the results plateau or don't last. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your child's healing potential isn't about finding the next new treatment or therapy? What if it's actually about getting the sequence right? This video is for parents who have already tried multiple approaches to help their child heal, whether that's traditional medicine, natural remedies, or various therapies, but haven't found the breakthrough that you're looking for. If you're feeling frustrated and wondering what you might be missing, this information could change everything. We're going to reveal why the order of interventions matters more than you might think, and how understanding the proper sequence of healing could be the missing piece in your child's health journey. You'll learn about the crucial foundation that needs to be in place before other therapies can work effectively, and why this often overlooked step could be the key to finally seeing lasting results. What we're seeing in practice today is fascinating. Over 80% of our new patients have already explored natural health and holistic healing options before finding us. This is a complete flip from even 12 years ago, when less than 20% of patients had tried these approaches. Yet, despite this increased awareness and access to natural solutions, we're seeing higher rates of chronic illness in children than ever before. Even more telling is that our average new patient today has more health challenges than they did 12 years ago. This raises a crucial question: what are we missing? First, let's look at the body's hierarchy. The nervous system is the foundation of all health. It develops first in utero and controls every other system in the body. We cannot have a good structure in our system without a strong foundation. Think of it as your body's air traffic controller, coordinating everything from your gut health to immune function to everything else that's going on in your body, nervous system, emotional regulation. When that is not functioning correctly, all those pieces that fall into place on top of it also can't function well either. When the nervous system isn't regulated properly, other treatments and therapies can't work to their full potential because those systems can't work to their full potential. The second thing I want to talk about is the 3 stages of sequential development. So stage 1 is first. That's that foundation of the nervous system. It must be functioning optimally first for any other systems to be working well. Stage 2 is the motor system. That's the next stage that comes in, which is movement and coordination. If we can't have that working, then the body is having a lot of difficulties. And then the third stage is the gut and immune health. So that's when we get deeper into the system. Our bodies can move, but how is our immune and our gut health working? Each stage builds upon the previous one, and you can't skip the steps. So let's talk about the vagus nerve and how it's connected. This crucial nerve connects your brain to your gut and immune system and the rest of your body. When it's not functioning properly, it affects everything from digestion to emotional regulation, all of those pieces on top of that pyramid. This is why addressing nervous system function first is so crucial. So why don't other treatments work yet? It's like trying to rebuild a house on a cracked foundation. No matter how much you invest in improvements, if the foundation isn't fixed first, results will be limited. This explains why some children don't respond to therapies that work for others. Those others might have a stronger nervous system that's allowing those other systems to work well. Without that strong nervous system, all of the things that they're trying to train can't work the way that they need them to. Now, where's the real results? 60 to 80% of our patients see improvements in sleep patterns, gut and immune function, and behavioral and emotional regulation. These improvements often allow other therapies to finally start working effectively. You haven't been doing anything wrong. In fact, all of those natural approaches and therapies that you've tried are valuable pieces of the puzzle. But just like a combination lock, having all the right numbers isn't enough. You need them all in the right order. Neurologically focused chiropractic care could be the missing piece that helps everything else fall into place. By addressing nervous system regulation first, we create a foundation that allows all of your other efforts to work more effectively. If you're ready to discover if nervous system dysregulation could be holding your child back from making progress, we invite you to take the next step. You can visit our website or click the link in our bio on Instagram to schedule a consultation and comprehensive neurological assessment. Let's work together to get your child's healing journey in the right sequence and finally see the breakthrough that you've been hoping for.